Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add subcategory in WooCommerce. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to the plugins and now you have to install this plugin. I already installed it, WooCommerce all products for subscriptions. After that, just simply go to products and now click on categories. So now here I want to add a subcategory. So simply just type the subcategory name here, and after that here you can add the description simply. And now here this is important default type or simply subcategory. So simply just what I need to do, just click on subcategory. After that here you can select image or even you can upload from your PC. So simply just click on use image and now click on add new category. So simply after that what we need to do, here you can see our subcategory is added here. So simply in this way you can easily add subcategory in WooCommerce.